Run was a spin-out business from the University of South Wales, focusing on reducing energy consumption for businesses that use significant amounts of energy. We were showing that we could typically reduce energy consumption, therefore carbon, by easily 10% and up to 25% for most people, just by getting a better understanding of their consumption patterns.
What we created was an automated system that looks at energy consumption, and it identifies the typical patterns of consumption. It creates triggers against which warnings can be generated. These triggers can then be used by energy managers to intervene and reduce the energy consumption. And the effect is better management of energy and lower spend for companies. Humans are creatures of habit. Businesses are creatures of habit. What this means is that these patterns exist. The trick really is to use the appropriate scientific approach to be able to identify these patterns. Once you learn these patterns, you'd be able to design systems that optimize energy use. What this means is that energy waste can be minimized to a point where it's no longer an issue.
As a business, we were bought by npower, one of the big 6 energy suppliers in the UK. At that stage, we'd already saved 300,000 tonnes of carbon for our customers. It meant a significant reduction in their energy costs, but also a big reduction in the environmental impact of typically 20%.
I think the use of science to answer real-life problems can result in some really interesting solutions. Net zero carbon economy is a fantastic target to have. Definitely managing electricity is one of the things that can deal with quite effectively and quickly.